Bugga bugga. Okay, relish is stable, pizza is stable, and you know what? We have fruit flies in here, so we're going to fix that. Simplest solution to fruit flies. A little bit of vinegar, just a tablespoon or so. A little bit of water. Tap water is fine, doesn't matter what. Fruit flies and most gnat sort of things are attracted to the smell of fermentation. To them, vinegar smells just like fermentation. So I'm going to take some dish soap and I'm going to put just a little bit of dish soap, just a drop or two in here. I don't need this anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. Now, what this dish soap is doing for us is it is breaking the surface tension of the water. That means when a gnat lands on it or a fruit fly lands on it, they won't be able to take off again. They'll sink and drown. Now, dish soap. Put that away. Now, in the past, I've used all kinds of things over here. I've done wax paper, I've done tin foil, I've done saran wrap sort of things, any of the plastic cling wrap. Today I'm going to just do a plastic cling wrap piece. Put this over the top. If this was wax paper, I would use a rubber band. This one came off asparagus, I think. So we're recycling. And then I'm going to poke holes in this. Because what we want is we want for the little beggars to smell this stuff and to get in there, and then they drown themselves because they can't get out. And that's all you have to do. So instead of spending whatever it is these days on some fancy little tchotchke that's supposed to catch fruit flies, do this. Then sit it someplace. I noticed there's a couple of them zipping around here and they've been bugging me while I was working here. Put it right there. They'll smell that, they'll go in, and they will end their days there. And later, we'll dump out their dead carcasses. Just a tip.